Welcome. If you're using Dropbox and want to keep your camera upload notifications private on your phone's lock screen, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to hide the content of those notifications, so your photos stay discreet even when your phone is locked. Let's dive in. First, start by unlocking your phone and heading straight to your phone settings. This is where all the customization magic happens. Once you're in settings, look for the option labeled Apps or Applications and tap on it. This section lists all the apps installed on your phone. Next, scroll through the list until you find Dropbox. Tap on Dropbox to open its specific settings. Here, you'll see various options related to the app, including storage, permissions, and notifications. Tap on Notifications to manage how Dropbox alerts you. Within Notifications, you'll notice a section called Notification Categories or something similar, depending on your device model. Tap on that, and you will see different notification types Dropbox can send. Look for Camera Uploads. This is the specific notification category for when your photos are automatically uploaded. Tap on Camera Uploads to open more detailed notification settings. Among these options, you will see something related to the lock screen. Tap on Lock Screen to adjust how notifications appear when your phone is locked. You want to choose the option to hide content or hide sensitive content here. Selecting this option means your notifications will still show up, letting you know Dropbox is active, but the content of the notification will stay hidden from prying eyes. And that's it. By following these simple steps, your Dropbox camera upload notifications will no longer display photo details or other sensitive information on your lock screen. This way, privacy is maintained while keeping you informed. If you want to reverse these changes later, just repeat the same steps and choose to show content on the lock screen. Thanks for watching.